Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Reggae Sumfest scales down from 2 nights to a 1-night only show with a taste of Reggae Sumfest. The largest music festival in Jamaica and the Caribbean is making adjustments to this year's staging, scaling back its offering and also finding a new home. Reggae Sumfest will not return to its home, Catherine Hall in Montego Bay, but will instead be hosted at Plantation Cove in St. Anne, which organizers say is one-off. Joe Bogdanovich, CEO of Down Sound Records and chief organizer of Reggae Sumfest, in a statement shared that a taste of Reggae Sumfest will be a special one-night experience that will take place at Plantation Cove. It is important to be clear that this is not a relocation of the festival from the Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex. Montego Bay remains the home of Reggae Sumfest and is a vital partner in the festival's history and future. Speaking with the Gleaner, he also explained that the temporary move to St. Anne comes following the devastation wreaked by Hurricane Melissa last year. This year's staging, dubbed A Taste of Reggae Sumfest, will bring together dancehall giants Vybz Kartel and Movado on the same stage in Jamaica for the first time in nearly 2 decades. And on the international scene, Rihanna leaves LA following shooting incident. According to reports, the business mogul has fled her Beverly Hills home after it came under gunfire on Sunday. The superstar was photographed traveling in a convoy of SUVs to a private aviation terminal on Monday. From there, she boarded a small twin-engine jet that carried her out of Los Angeles. Her departure came shortly after prosecutors charged a woman with attempted murder in connection with a gunfire directed at the singer's property. It is unclear whether Rihanna had already planned the trip before the incident or if the shooting influenced her decision to leave. Ayanna Ortiz is being held on US $10.2 million bail in connection with the attack. Ye is attempting a comeback with a new album release and a live performance. According to SoFi Stadium's website, the controversial rapper formerly known as Kanye West has a concert date at the Southern California venue next month dubbed Ye Live in Los Angeles. The show announcement comes months after Ye took out a full-page advertisement in the Wall Street Journal to apologize for anti-Semitic remarks and other outlandish behavior in recent years. Ye's new album, titled Bully, is set to drop later this month. According to Forbes, Dr. Dre is officially a billionaire. Only 22 entertainers have reached billionaire status so far, and Dre becomes just the 6th musician to do so alongside Beyonce, Jay-Z, Taylor Swift, Bruce Springsteen and Rihanna. Dre's fortune is largely tied to his success of Beats by Dre, the headphone company he co-founded with Jimmy in 2014. The pair sold the company to Apple for $3 billion, with the brand later becoming part of Apple Music. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.